Imagine a world where banks no longer hold the reins of your financial life. Could this be the future? We're living in an era where traditional banks and financial institutions hold sway. They act as gatekeepers, controlling access to vital financial services, from simple savings and checking accounts to mortgages and business loans. Yet these institutions are often riddled with challenges. They charge high fees for transactions and services, making it expensive for everyday people to manage their finances. The processes involved are often time-consuming, filled with paperwork and waiting periods that can stretch into weeks. And let's not forget the stark reality that millions around the world still don't have access to basic banking services. These issues paint a picture of a finance world that is ripe for change. And that change might just be on the horizon. What if there was a way to bypass these traditional systems and take control of your own financial destiny? Enter DeFi, or Decentralized Finance. DeFi, a term you might have heard tossed around, stands for Decentralized Finance. It's a concept that is changing the way we perceive financial systems. But what exactly is it? Let's break it down. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is an umbrella term for financial services that are built on blockchain technology, primarily Ethereum. The central idea behind DeFi is to create a financial system that isn't controlled by any single entity, like a bank or a government. Instead, DeFi platforms use blockchain's distributed ledger technology to enable people to lend, borrow, trade, earn interest, and even insure against risks in a decentralized manner. Imagine being able to take out a loan without a bank or trade assets without a broker. That's the promise of DeFi. The benefits of DeFi are numerous. First and foremost, it offers accessibility. Traditional financial systems can exclude a significant portion of the population, especially in developing nations. With DeFi, all you need is an internet connection to access financial services. Secondly, DeFi brings efficiency. By removing intermediaries, transactions can be faster and cheaper. For example, international money transfers that can take days with traditional banking can be completed in minutes with DeFi. Lastly, DeFi offers transparency. All transactions on a blockchain are public and can be audited by anyone. This transparency can increase trust and discourage fraudulent activity. However, it's important to note that DeFi is still in its early stages and comes with its own set of challenges. It's a complex system that requires a certain degree of technical knowledge to navigate. Plus, the lack of regulation can lead to volatility and potential scams. Nevertheless, the promise of a more open, efficient, and transparent financial system is enticing. DeFi is not just a buzzword, it holds the potential to revolutionize the financial landscape. It's definitely something to keep an eye on as we move forward into the future of finance. DeFi and traditional finance, two very different worlds. But how exactly do they compare? Let's break it down. First off, control. In traditional finance, banks and other financial institutions are the gatekeepers. They control your money, and they decide who gets access to financial services and who doesn't. But in the world of DeFi, you are the gatekeeper. You control your own money, and you decide how, when, and where to use it. Next, accessibility. Traditional finance systems are often exclusionary, particularly in developing nations where many people might not have access to banking services. DeFi, on the other hand, is global and inclusive. All you need to participate is an internet connection and a digital wallet. No bank account required. Then there's transparency. Traditional financial systems are often opaque, with many transactions and processes hidden from view. But DeFi operates on blockchain technology, where every transaction is recorded on a public ledger. This makes DeFi inherently transparent and auditable by anyone, anywhere. Finally, let's talk about costs. Traditional finance comes with a host of fees and charges, from account maintenance fees to withdrawal charges. DeFi eliminates many of these costs by cutting out the middlemen. Plus, with DeFi, transactions can be faster and more efficient, saving you both time and money. So what's the bottom line here? DeFi isn't just an alternative to traditional finance. It's a revolution. It's about democratizing finance, giving power back to the people, and creating a financially inclusive world. Of course, DeFi isn't without its challenges. There are still issues to be addressed, like regulatory uncertainty, technological complexity and security risks. But as technology advances and the DeFi ecosystem continues to evolve, the potential for a more open, inclusive, and efficient financial system becomes more and more tangible. In many ways, DeFi can offer what traditional finance can't: a truly open, inclusive, and efficient financial system. The potential of DeFi is immense, but what does the future hold? As we gaze into the crystal ball, we see a financial landscape that's decentralized, inclusive, and empowering. It's a world where anyone, anywhere, can participate in the global economy, free from the constraints of traditional banking. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. As promising as DeFi is, it's still a nascent field with many challenges to overcome. Scalability, interoperability, and regulatory compliance are just a few of the hurdles that DeFi must clear on its path to mainstream adoption. And as with any financial decision, it's crucial to do your homework. Understand the risks, the rewards, and the dynamics at play before diving in. Knowledge is your best protection in this brave new world of finance. DeFi could very well be the future of finance. Are you ready for it? If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world of finance.